friend Ranger, and we are at the market. So he took us to the market, and it's pretty cool. It's kind of like a fruit and vegetable market, I think, where you can see a bunch of fruits, vegetables, and it looks so good. And apparently you can taste them by, because we taste the mango, which is pretty good, tangerine, not so bueno, but everything else is really good. And it's kind of like a coronation market in Jamaica, but much cleaner, much nicer, and everybody is like uniformly dressed. And I think like if you can produce, or if you have your own, you can have your own stall here, and it's pretty cool. Much nicer, much cleaner. Fruits and vegetable looks really nice. So I'm just gonna show you guys what that looks like. All right, so look, here we have one of the stalls, and you can see everything is nice and neat. Oh, thank you. And like I said, they let you try anything, honey. Taste them by the time I leave her, I taste them, my belly full. So let's see if it's actually really good. This is actually really good. And we didn't even eat breakfast yet, so this is not bad. It's actually really good.
Oh, tomato. Look like. No, look like tomato.
It's not tomato?
No. It's different, man. Is that mango?
No, it doesn't. We got this thing that we just got.
Yes. Look like.
It's not tomato. It tastes like a gooseberry.
Yes, it's like gooseberry.
What the hell is it? I don't know what it is, but it's pretty good. I thought he was giving us a taste of a tomato. I'm like, yo, we believe in him. We believe that the tomato is good, but I don't know what the hell that is. Pretty effing good. So we know what this is. What I'm calling here over here, sir?
What do you call this one in your country?
This is Lebanon.
No, what do you call this one?
Inside white color.
What is the name? What do you call? What name you have for it?
Custard apple.
Custard apple. This one?
English name is custard apple.
Oh, custard apple.
Custard apple different, you know.
Here we have the vegetable section, and these look so good. Like tomato. Not gonna lie, looks really good. And then we also have the spice. I'll go over to the spice section to show you guys. Hold on. Here we have the spice section. I have no idea what the hell these. What are these? Fig?
Yeah, all baked. Different.
Oh, different kinds of figs. Yeah. Kind of want to look like chicken, but it's not chicken, it's figs. Ew. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna go outside. Oh, this is nice. Oh, the restaurant area. Coffee and tea. Very quiet. Hold on. Here we have, I don't know if you guys can see it, looks like a, don't know what the hell that is, but it looks good. Of course, you know me, goddamn litter in the damn ocean, hate to see it, but yeah, whatever that is. It kind of reminds me of Mumbai in a sense, just the water, but a cleaner version of the water by Mumbai. They're going back inside. So we just entered the Dubai fish market and smells so bad. Oh my god, it smells so bad. I'm gonna show you guys what they have, but it smells so bad. We have shrimp. Ah! What is it? Snapper? Yes. Okay. Salmon. Salmon. Sea bass. Supreme.
Yes.
Okay. What that?
Shrimps, octopus, calamari.
Oh, octopus, calamari. I don't know about you, but just looking, just looking. No, just looking. We got crabs.
No bone, no bone. Supreme.
Supreme.
Kingfish.
Kingfish.
Poplet.
Pablet.
Tilapia.
Tilapia.
Goldfish. Kingfish. No bone. Very nice.
Where's the bone? I thought all fish have bone.
It's no bone. All meat fresh.
Oh. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Hi. Say hi. Hi. Just want to look.
Shrimps.
Shrimps.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Big one. Small.
What's this?
Calamari. Calamari.
Calamari.
Crab.
Crabs?
Big calamari.
Ew, what the hell is that? What's that?
Calamari. Big.
Big calamari?
Yes. Big one.
Mucho big.
More clams.
Oh, you got clams over there? Very nice.
Good taste.
Okay.
You want?
Yeah, thank you. Oh. Turn it around. Oh, nice.
You Africa?
Huh? Jamaican.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Hey, this is good.
Jamaica man.
Ah, beautiful you lady.
Thanks.
Beautiful lady.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes. Who would believe with a Dubai man? A nice, wholesome Dubai man. We'll have him a little fish stall. You know what I'm saying? Maybe that's the kind of guy I need in my life. You never know. You know what I mean? Oh my God. This is so sad.
I'll stop them on to blood. I'll stop. You start, huh?
Yeah, sure.
Baby shark.
Baby shark.
Baby shark. Oh no.
Wow, dangerous.
Where's the teeth?
Teeth there. The very dangerous teeth.
Ah.
5 gram, huh?
This side right here smells so bad. They have the dry fish over here. See? Like saltfish times 20. That's how bad. This side we have, I don't know, but we have all the spices here. Pretty cool. And spices, leaf, seeds. So I guess this is the spice and seeds section. Pretty cool.